Congratulations on choosing Window World for your remodeling project. Rest assured, you've chosen a partner that'll be with you every step of the way. You've met with a design consultant to select styles and designs, the openings have been measured, and your new windows and doors have been ordered. And you've confirmed the installation date with your local Window World store. Now you're asking yourself, what's next? To maximize your investment and enable the installation to take place as smoothly as possible, we've created this video to walk you through every step of the process, from preparing your home, the installation process, to what needs to be done before our departure. We will need approximately 3 to 4 feet in front of each window on the interior and exterior of your home. Please relocate breakables and move aside any furnishings that might be in the way. If any items are too heavy to move easily, we will gladly assist you. We need all blinds, shades, curtains, and any other window coverings removed prior to our arrival. Window installers may need access to the inside and outside of your home, so make sure all entry doors are unlocked. Turn off any security or alarm systems. The installers will most likely need ladders to reach the outside of the windows, so provide access to the area where ladders will need to be set up. Trees and bushes may need to be pruned back to give us access. Occasionally, we need to work in planters and other landscaped areas that are adjacent to the windows. We strive to be careful when working, but our priorities are to focus on our work, your windows, and our safety while working on your property and in your home.